Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in this video we will learn how to build a RAG AI agent with Spring Boot and Gemini step by step. But it is the first part, so in this video we will just learn what is RAG and its introduction and what is the architecture that we are going to follow. So okay, let's start. So have you ever built an AI chatbot that confidently gives completely wrong answers? That's one of the biggest problem with large language models, that is LLM. They only know what they were trained on. But what if you want your AI to answer question from your PDF files? So it may be your company documents, technical documentation, research papers, users manuals, or your own notes. That's exactly what we are going to build today. So in this video, we will create a complete RAG AI agent using Spring Boot and Google's Gemini API. By the end of this tutorial, you will have an AI assistant that can read your PDF documents and answer questions based only on the information inside documents. And don't worry if you have never built a RAG application before, I will explain every concept from scratch. In the previous video, we built our first AI agent using Spring Boot and Gemini. If you have not watched that video yet, I highly recommend it checking it out first because today's project builds directly on top of it. So today we are taking things to the next level by building something that companies actually use in production, retrieval augmented generation, that is RAG. So by the end of this tutorial, our application will work like this. First, we will upload one or more PDF document and the application read the text from the PDF. It split the content into two smaller chunks. Each chunk is converted into an embedding and those embeddings are stored. So when the user will ask a question, the application finds the most relevant chunks, sends only those chunks to Gemini, and Gemini generates an answer based on the information. So it means our AI won't rely only on its pre-trained knowledge, it will use our documents to answer the question. So what are the problems with AI models? Let's first understand why we even need RAG, retrieval augmented generation. So imagine we are asking ChatGPT or Gemini, what is the leave policy in my company? And the model has no idea. It has never seen your company's internal HR documents. So what happens? Usually it tries to guess. Sometimes it gives a partially correct answer and sometimes it completely hallucinates, and hallucination simply means the AI generates information that sounds believable but is actually incorrect. So this is one of the biggest challenge when building AI application for business. Companies don't want guesses, they want accurate answers based on their own data. That's why RAG comes in picture. So what is RAG? RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. So let's break that down. Retrieval. Before asking Gemini to answer the question, we first retrieve the most relevant information from our documents. Instead of sending an entire 500 pages PDF to the model, we only send the small section that are relevant to the user's question. For example, suppose our PDF contains information about Spring Boot, Kubernetes, Docker, Kafka, Redis. Now user will come and ask, what is Docker Compose? So instead of sending the whole PDF file, our application retrieves only the Docker related paragraph. It will be much faster, much cheaper and much more accurate. And what is augmented? Next we augment the user's question. So instead of sending what is Docker Compose, it will just return the context. Docker Compose is a tool used for defining and running multi-container Docker application. So now Gemini has the necessary context only. And third is generation. Finally, Gemini generates the answer using the retrieved context. So instead of guessing, it answers using your own documents. That's why RAG applications are far more reliable than chatbots. So, okay, let's take one real-time example. RAG is widely used in production system. For example, custom support. We will upload product manuals. Customers ask questions. The AI answer instantly. HR assistant like employees ask about leave policy, holidays, insurance, salary process. The AI retrieves answers from our HR documents. It is also useful in healthcare and doctors can search medical guidelines quickly. It is also useful in legal cases like law firms upload contracts and regulations. The AI helps always the AI helps lawyers to search document within seconds. And student also can use in research. Students upload research papers. The AI summarize and answers questions from the uploaded material only. And here we are going to use the technologies Java 21 or 25, Spring Boot 3, Gemini API, Apache PDF, Box, Spring AI, Maven dependencies, and we'll use IntelliJ and REST APIs. And this is the architecture that we will try to follow. So now that you understand what is RAG and why it is useful, so it's time to start building. And in the next part, we will create our Spring Boot project and configure the Gemini API and all the required dependencies and make sure everything is connected before we start processing our PDF documents. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next part.